terrain, it'll zoom in. So if I did player, for example, and I double clicked it, that would zoom right into the player. You'll see your military guy, and he's got his collision object surrounding him. What I've set up in this world is the main camera, which is out here, and as you can see, it's just pointing to the floor. But I've got a script attached to the attached to the camera, which actually will follow the player around as he moves. So then you don't have to really worry about where you put the camera, as long as you have that script in place. That's fine. And so if we go back to the terrain, you'll see I've built a bunch of walls around it, and you've got some hills and some trees which I've just added, which that's pretty easy to do in Unity. And we've got our light source, which is up here, which that's got a pretty big range, so that lights up the whole environment. And what this world does is I've created some assets, and if we go to resources, I've got a bullet and zombie. Now these are the two assets which actually get generated when the demo starts. So it'll generate zombies, and what the zombies do is they move towards where the player is. So no matter where the player moves, the zombies will follow him. But I've made sure that they don't overlap him. They just go near him. And the zombies are kind of static. They don't actually have any animations yet. And then what I've created is some bullets which are just cubes, and the bullets just fire in the direction that you're facing. And if a bullet intersects with the zombie, then the zombie will get removed from the scene. So hopefully we can demonstrate this. So I'll go ahead and run the demo. So let's just click the play. Okay, so then you can move your player around. And you'll notice on the screen we've got these two circle things. Therefore, for if you have it on a mobile device, you have to have a way of moving around. So then we can see you've got the zombies, and they're all coming towards me. So what I've used is the space bar to fire. And if you move around, hopefully you'll get one of the zombies. Oh yeah, there. See, a couple of them disappeared. What you can also do, if you go towards this hill here, you'll notice that when the bullet objects hit the hill, notice how they bounce off it. That's using the physics engine, which is all built in. And look, that one went over the wall. Although I'm not actually destroying the bullets yet. But they can bounce off the wall, and it's got collision detection, so it doesn't go through the wall. Although you can see outside the wall. And I've got this little red line that's coming off from the player. That's just a raycast and debug, so I can see which direction it's facing. So that's pretty much the demo, and it's pretty easy to build this thing with scripts. You just have to know a bit about either C# or JavaScript. But notice how all the zombies are coming towards, and some of them pass through. So you get like this whole town meeting of zombies which have come to the player. But if I move the player, because he can move really fast, you'll notice that all the zombies start moving to where the player is. So that's the basics of a basic zombie game that you could build. And you can, improve all the aspects of this game. So that's the end of the demo. Thanks.